student, today my topic is plaster of Paris. The formula is CaSO4 point half water or 2 CaSO4 point water. Commercial name of calcium is calcium sulfate dihydrate is gypsum, and commercial name of calcium sulfate hemihydrate is plaster of Paris. Only the change is here the water molecule is 2 and here the water molecule is half. When there is 2 molecule of water with calcium sulfate, then it is gypsum, and when there is half molecule of water with calcium sulfate, then this is plaster of Paris. Now method of preparation: when gypsum is heated at 150 to 160, it loses molecule of water, crystallization and change into plaster of Paris. This is the gypsum. When it's treated with this temperature, it forms plaster of Paris with 3 molecules of water. Property: it is white in color, powder, and is frankly soluble in water. On heating at 200 degrees centigrade, it forms gamma form of calcium sulfate. This is the gamma form. On heating, following changes occur. Firstly, when it is heated with 200 degrees centigrade, this is the gamma form of calcium sulfate. When 600 degree, then it is beta. Then 1100 degree, then it forms quicklime with SO2 and half molecule of oxygen. Now plaster of Paris form gypsum called setting of plaster of Paris. The process involves 2 steps. In first step, hemihydrated of plaster of Paris changes into dihydrated. This stage is called setting stage. Like this, hemihydrated of plaster of Paris changes into the dihydrated. Now here in the second step, plaster of Paris changes into the solid gypsum called hardening stage. This is the plaster of Paris. When they just go through the hardening process is formed gypsum. Gypsum is harder than the plaster of Paris. The complete reaction is like this. Now uses is it expand on setting and use in casting and molding. It is used in surgery for setting fracture or dislocated bones, in making chalks, toys and statues, in making cast in dentistry and making fireproof material. Now next is Portland cement. It is used in the construction of bridges, building houses, tunnel, dams, roads. When it mixed with water and allowed to stand for some time, it hardens to stone like mass which resemble Portland rock. That is why it is known as Portland cement. Chemical nature: it is the mixture of silicate and aluminate of calcium. It consists of 3CaO point SiO2, that is tricalcium silicate. When there is 2, that is dicalcium silicate. When there is Al2O3, then tricalcium aluminate, and some amount of gypsum. Both are composition of the cement. Now this is the percentage of their composition. CaO is 50 to 60, SiO2 is 20 to 25, Al2O3 is 5 to 10, MgO is 2 to 3, and other oxide is 2 to 4%. On changing composition, property get changed. Amount of lime, if it is less, then cement form is weak. Now when this lime is high, then cracks produced. Then silica is in the high amount, then weak cement is formed. When amount of alumina is high, then setting of cement is faster. This is the benefit for the cement. Now manufacture of cement, following molecules are used, that is limestone, calcium carbonate, clay, SiO2, Al2O3, Fe2O3, gypsum, CaSO4 with 2 molecules of water. These are the composition which is used to manufacture the cement. Now method: limestone and clay are mixed and finely ground. Ground means to change into the powdered form to form slurry, that is homogeneous, and the slurry then introduced to cling. The cling is long or cylindrical pipe like structure. Length is 30 to 40 meter broad and 22 to 3 meter in diameter. At one end of the clink, coal powder is ignited and hot gas is allowed to pass from the one end to another with the help of burner. The hottest portion of the clink have temperature about 1600 degree and limestone and clay formed cement in this way. This is the reaction where the calcium carbonate form lime, and lime when react with silicate it form dicalcium silicate. When 3 molecules of lime is there, then calcium silicate. When aluminium is there, then tricalcium aluminate. Now product is called clinker. These products are called as clinker, and gypsum is mixed in the clinker and ground to fine powder. Gypsum reduce the rate of setting and hardens in the sufficient time. Now hydration, when they just undergo the hydration, they form colloidal gel. All these three form colloidal gel. When hydrolysis take place, they undergo hydrolysis to form calcium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide. In this way, now tricalcium aluminate when react with gypsum, it forms calcium sulfoaluminate. It is the fast setting exothermic reaction and cooled by sprinkling water. Mortar, mixture of cement, sand, water used to plastering purpose, fill the joints between bricks and construction of the building. Now next is concrete, mixture of cement, sand, gravel. Gravel is what? Small pieces of stone. Water called concrete. These all are composition to form concrete. It's set to an exceedingly hard structure. It is used in construction of floors, beams and lintels. Now reinforced concrete, it is used as construction of beams, pillars and lintels of building. It is the cement concrete which is filled inside all around the wire netting or skeleton of iron rods and allowed to set, called reinforced concrete. It has high tensile strength and capacity to tolerate high compressive force. These are the places where the cement industry is situated. Now calcium hydroxide, when quicklime react with water or calcium chloride react with NaOH, they form calcium hydroxide. It is white powder, is strongly soluble in water and solubility decrease with increase in temperature. When dried and heated to redness, it loses water molecule and converted to calcium oxide. Now my question is for today, how will you prepare plaster of Paris, cement, gypsum and calcium hydroxide? Thank you.